So we are in the forthcoming election of Bar Council of Delhi 2026, and there is a lot of celebration, and people are contesting, nominating themselves for this upcoming election, which is going to held on 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of February. Because of different function, it has been delayed, but in this scenario, the BCD election, where of course we have our preference list who are contesting in this election for the post of president, secretary, and other position in this election 2026. I will definitely urge to all the voters of Bar Council of Delhi so that they vote for the right candidate and do not indulge or get influenced by the advertisement or marketing. Rather think about the benefit of the bar, rather think about the benefit of the the ethics and conduct of advocate. That should be the priority would be for the newcomers as well as for the people who have been experienced in this bar council. And we have been watching, we have been witnessing this since all these years, how this act was performed by our seniors. Because see, Bar Council of Delhi is the licensing authority of the advocates. Here you can see 1 lakh of voters will come and cast their vote in the first preference list and other list. You can choose 25 candidates, but it is also about the preference list. Now let's see, let's hope for the best, as I will be outstation for a few days and then I'll back to Supreme Court. And because Supreme Court is also my bar, it is the bar association, I am advocate. And yes, obviously the basic is from the Bar Association of Delhi, Bar Council of Delhi. Being a practicing advocate, I feel really honored and reputed being a member of the bar.